Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little different. We are going to head outside and I'm going to show you our space outside and a little backstory. Last August we had a huge hailstorm that came in and destroyed like everything outside, literally everything. So I'm going to walk you through and I'm going to show you the things that we still have to fix, which is most everything. And also I'm going to be de-thatching our grass. So that'll be at the end and it's really kind of cool to watch. We have some rain coming in and it's really a good time right now to de-thatch because it's a little drier. And then after the rain, I'm going to aerate and then we can fertilize and then we will have beautiful green grass. So let's go outside and let me show you around. So as you see, I have a helper today and I was just out here picking up his toys and yeah, that didn't last long at all. All right, here we go. So we will start looking at the back of the house and we will start with the roof because that all has to be replaced. That's our garage and our little breezeway and then our house. So the roof has to be replaced. All of the windows, including the glass door, has to be replaced. And I'll give you a little closer look. All right, you may see Jack. I had to put him inside. He was just too noisy out here. Yep, there he is. But you can see the bottom of the door is all broken. And also the porch is all messed up. And let me show you. Hi. Up here, it's all dented and broken. So all of these things have to be replaced. When we're replacing the door, we're actually changing the handle. It's not going to be here on this side. It's going to go onto the other side. And then we're going to redo the whole step area. It's going to be like wraparound steps. That way you can like step down and go in any direction. And it'll take up less visual space and it'll just look nicer. One of the things I truly love about back here is our little seating area, fire pit and bar and barbecue area. We do want some more grown-up furniture this year, but I'm loving the fire pit. My husband made that, and he also made our bar for us, which lasted really nice through the hail. The top got a little damaged, but this was only supposed to be temporary anyway. And I think we're just going to restain it. And now you're looking at our air conditioning unit. This has already been combed out and it is still in really bad shape. So we're going to be getting this replaced and we're going to be moving it catty corner, like out of the backyard. But it's definitely doable because it's not that far away. Thank goodness, because I kind of wanted it moved before the hailstorm anyway. It's very loud when we're out here. You know, it kicks on and then you can't hear your music or talk. So this will be super nice to get out of the yard. So here's kind of an overview of what it looks like. That pole sticking up there, that holds our string lights and it goes to our house. And of course the hail broke all of the string lights and all the glass. I've spent a lot of time picking up glass and stuff out of the rocks, but we have a new umbrella, new string lights, a new water fountain to go in this area. And then of course when the AC is moved, that will open up that space. And then with new doors and new steps, that's all going to look super nice. And then moving our way around, I do have a little patio area for our table. I'm debating on whether or not to move it from that current spot over here when we move our air conditioner, because then, you know, our barbecue grill and bar and everything's there. And that'd be kind of nice having it all together. Then I have a little seating area over there, and then also the same thing with that post. It holds string lights that go to the house and over the table. So those will all be replaced, and the bucket that it's sitting in has to be replaced too. It got cracked. Almost every piece of siding, or they're like 4x8 sheets of concrete board, there's something wrong with them. So either the trim pieces have to be fixed or the siding has to be fixed, and that goes all the way around the house and the garage, and then it has to be pressure washed and painted. So We're new roof, new paint, new windows, new doors, new steps. It's gonna look brand new back here. There's really not much going on this side of the house. It's mainly our utility area. Let me get out of these rocks, it's probably pretty noisy. There we go. We just have a gate that accesses the front yard. We have some siding pieces and paint on this side too. And then I'm going to show you my tractor setup here in just a few minutes. But the fence, we have so many boards that need replaced. The whole thing has to be pressure washed front and back and then restained. So that's going to be a big job too. Even our sheds took it pretty hard. We have to re-roof both of our sheds and pressure wash and paint. You can see all the paint peeling and coming off. I tell you, this was the worst hail I have ever been in, and it pretty much destroyed everything out here. And then here we're in the front yard, and then that's the shed I was just showing you. And you can see a lot of our boards on our fence are like that. So we have to go through and replace all of those. And then of course, pressure wash and stain. And I still haven't picked up one of my pots that the hail got. As you can see, it's such a mess. If it was plastic, it got broken. If it was metal, it got dinged. The front didn't get it quite as bad. So as you can see, here's the front of my house. I do have some weeding and grass edging and things like that to do, so you'll be seeing me do that. A couple of the shutters got dinged, so we have to replace all of our shutters so they match. And I'm thinking about doing like black shutters. So let me know what you think. So this is our beautiful view. I absolutely love it. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. You can still see some snow on the mountain. Gorgeous. And our grass is turning green. And then this is the little corner where our garage meets our house. And right over there by the electrical panel, that is where we're wanting to put our AC unit, which it's just on the other side of the house there. So that will be an easy fix. And here's some of the siding that really took the brunt of the hail. You can see it just pretty much wiped the paint right off of the siding and cracked a lot of the pieces. So all of that will have to be replaced and then of course repainted. And there's just so much to do. One thing that we have been able to get replaced has been our garage doors, and we were able to upgrade them. So I am in love with these doors. We do still have to replace that walk door and one of the light fixtures, but other than that, this side, besides being repainted, is all done. Here's our enclosed trailer, and as you can see the hail damage, this is pretty much what everything looked like that was outside. They totaled this one out, but we bought it back from them, and they totaled our 3 other vehicles out, and we just let them go, and then we bought something new. But this has to be fixed. That's why it's kind of sitting up here by the house, so my husband can slowly work on it. Another project that I want to get done real soon is I have like some oil stain that I want to redo all of our little wooden step blocks that leads to the front, and I want to redo those, and then that will make them look so much brighter, especially with beautiful green grass. These planter buckets are on my list too to stain, and of course we cannot plant flowers yet until June, because that's pretty much our last frost time. Other than that, I mean, it can still snow up into June, so we have to wait. I also add like fake flowers, so I technically could put those out because we have deer and antelope that like to eat my real flowers. So I mix in some fakes. That way there's like blooms in here all summer. Well, today I am taking advantage of the no wind and the dry conditions to finish de-thatching my grass. I have my lawn tractor with hail damage on the seat. Isn't that lovely? We still have to fix that too. But this is my de-thatcher. Let me see if I can get a better view. Nope, let's go this way. And it has tines that you can see down in there. And I just add some weight up on top, and then it like digs down into the grass and it pulls up all the dead stuff, and then I just rake it and then I throw it out into my fields. All right, so let's get de-thatching and get this yard in shape. I really hoped you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. You won't want to miss any of the projects we have planned for this summer. Thanks for joining me and Jack today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!